Shall we start the class, beta? Get ready, Jotam. Let's start the session, please. Get ready. Sharmila, good evening. Beta, today math session, final test series and examination date schedule we are going to provide. Before giving for total biology final revision, we are going to do one small work. Yes, good evening. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Yes, for maths revision, I am starting, beta. Now look here, circle chapter, most important part of circle chapter. One more time I am teaching you all. This time 4 and 5 mark questions of circle chapter. Jotam, beta, close that good door, beta. Good evening everyone. From Trikal Kundram, please kindly inform all the children to join fast. Sarvana, we will be practicing circle chapter today. So what in all questions I am giving, you people have to practice that question very nicely. Jotam, ready for that, beta? See, circle today, all typical questions only I am going to give. So you need to solve these questions without creating more problem for me. So write first question. When you are solving a circle question, what and all things are needed? So this is our first video for circle chapter. Satya, good evening. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, second, you all have to come for writing one math sample paper exam. So second, you are having a math sample paper exam in coaching. Online children, please kindly try to come one day because second is a holiday. So if you people will be able to come and write the examination, question paper will be given to you. You have to come with A4 sheet paper or ruled unruled paper, whichever. You have to bring one booklet of papers, understood or not, and then you have to write examination. Is it okay for all of you? Just announce in the group. Timing will be morning time only. It will be 12 to no, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 12 to 3. 12 to 3 will be your examination time. So please be acquainted with that. So right first, see, our first theorem in circle chapter was all that MCQ questions we have done. Now our first theorem was from the radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. This was the first theorem. Can you post in the group that class started? So beta, radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. This was first part question. The second important question was that the theorem, which is exactly one part theorem, was there कि from the circle, if 2 points, the tangents from the external point of a circle, if the tangents are drawn, the tangents are of equal length. PA is equal to PB. The tangents are of equal length. The tangents are of equal length. That is the second important point. We need to understand this one. I hope you might have understood. Got it. So beta, now next important point. Is the video okay? Beta, this angle, learn this part. When this part is there, this side is equal to this side and this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Understood? So these are the three important points. These are the three important points. Like tangents are of equal length. The first part is tangents are of equal length. Second is the angles subtended at the center are equal and they have equal inclination. So these are the three important points: equal inclination, angles subtended at the center are equal, and tangents are of equal length. These are the three things you need to remember. Understood or not? Three things you need to remember. Next one, we are going to start the questions based on this. But today I'm focusing towards the most typical questions. Today I'm not going to point out which is important, easy questions. No, typical questions today I'm going to give you. So first question, please get ready for it. This is one question which can trouble you. Presentation has to be done very nicely. Ashwita, welcome back, beta. So Ashwita started 2 days, I think 2nd of January, first sample paper examination you are doing there, and you people have to do one work. You have to write online. Those people who are very far away from coaching, they have to write online test. Okay, but other people will be writing only offline test. Trikul Kundram student will also come here and they will write test. Okay, so day after tomorrow will be a examination session in coaching. Everybody has to write and everybody reporting time will be early time. Understood? So 11:30 everybody has to report. I hope you might have understood this one. Are we ready? Right, first question. This question came maths examination. Okay, so first this we will do one work, maths full. So today, tomorrow also I will give full maths revision. There is no holiday on 1st of January for you people. Okay, 10th and 12th no holiday for tomorrow. In fact 9 also, 9th and 11th also. Full syllabus means what, Ila version? Right question, beta. PQ is a chord of length. Right, first question. First important question. Expected question. Expected questions. So now for board expected questions we are starting. Okay. So today date you post one message to Mansi aunty and tell that Mansi aunty, these questions, this series now which Kushbu ma'am is teaching, you make a playlist of this and keep for us. Now, right, PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. After that, right, of circle of radius 5 centimeter. Of circle of radius 5 centimeter. The tangents, can you switch on fan? The tangents at P and Q intersects at point T. Find the length TP. So this is the first question given to you. Pen. This is the first question given to you. Get ready for this question. How to solve this question? First, we are going to draw the circle. This is one of the expected question. This is the most important question. Based on this, number they will change, but question will remain the same. So handle this question very carefully and check how I am solving the question. Root 89 is the answer. Let's check. See, don't be in hurry burry. I want to see your steps. So once you are writing, you need to show me the steps. I hope you might have understood. Showing steps are very compulsory here. So just take the screenshot and send me the steps, please. Come. Done. This is O. Now what and all things are given? I am showing you. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. So this is PQ is a chord and its length is 8 centimeter. So PQ is equal to 8 centimeter given. Now from the center of the circle to the chord, the line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisects the chord. So we are going to draw OM. OM drawn is perpendicular to PQ. Why? From center of the circle to the chord PQ, the line drawn is perpendicular to chord. And bisects the chord. So this side is equal to this side. Now we will join this one. Okay. So now we can say PM is equal to MQ is equal to 4 centimeter. So this side is coming as 4 centimeter. This side is also coming as 4 centimeter. You need to write everything very clearly. Radius is given as 5 centimeter. So after this, after writing this, you write radius is equal to 5 centimeter. So radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now since OM is perpendicular, we can get this value, correct? What is our main target? Our main target is to get this T. Got it? Now we are going to join this section also. Got it? First we will find this length, OT. Understood? Our main target is to get OT. So now we have radius as 5 centimeter. That means OP is equal to OQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Now PM is equal to 4 centimeter. In triangle OMP, this triangle we will take. In triangle OMP, right angled at M, right angled at M, right angled at M, what you are going to take? Right angled at M, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. So OP square is 5 square is equal to 4 square plus OM square. So OM square is equal to 25 minus 16. So OM is equal to root under 9, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So OM part is coming as 3. Done. Now we will take TM is equal to Y. Let TM is equal to Y and TP is equal to X. Okay. Now beta, we know na radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. Good evening, Kritika. Everybody, those who got less marks in examination, please kindly remember this. You people have to Is it done? Tomorrow class is there, beta. Is it done, beta? Hmm? I hope I have informed you. Joseph, is it Joseph? Just give me 1 second. One school work is there. I need to finish. Fine. So now look here. We finished till here. Now next one. See, Tx is equal to y we have taken. One work is there. OR means this part OM already we got. Now we will use triangle. Two triangles we will use. This is a triangle, beta. Hmm? We know that radius and tangents are perpendicular. So we will write OP, since OP is perpendicular to A, PT. Why? Radius and tangents are perpendicular. So since radius and tangents are perpendicular, we can take this one, we can take total, and we can take that one. Understood? So we can say OT. That time OT will become hypotenuse. What will become OT? OT will become hypotenuse. Yes, so OT will become OT square is equal to OP square plus PT square. Understood? So OT part is what? OT we have taken TM as y na, so it will become y plus 3 whole square is equal to OP will become 5 square plus PT is coming as x square. Done? This will become our one equation. Got it? Okay, what he is telling, we know that every congruent triangle is similar, then we can use the Thales theorem to congruent triangle. See, there is a extra work. If you are having extra time, you are having means you are 100% ready to do that. See, there are two ways of solving this question. Here I am taking total algebra part. See, with algebra calculation part, but every people will not be able to solve by Thales theorem. Their concept will not go that much. And if you are able to solve Thales theorem, you can 100% use that Thales theorem property and solve. Nothing problem in that. But because already similar triangle, many people are weak. So we are using just common concepts. Single concept here, that is the triangle concept. Pythagoras theorem is easier than Thales theorem concept in that level. That's what I'm doing. So now here, because most of the students, when they will do Thales theorem, they will find mistake. They'll do mistake. Correct now? So here, this is easy because we know that this is exactly perpendicular to this. So this will become hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to this. One concept easy. Another triangle we will take. Another triangle is this triangle we will take. Now this triangle is also very easy. What is the triangle? P, M and T. So first triangle we have taken this one, radius and tangent. So we have taken triangle OPT. First we have taken triangle in triangle OPT. Now we have taken triangle. This will become equation 1 in triangle PMT. PMT, right angled at M, right angled at M. So easily we can handle it now. So what we can write here is, now this part will become hypotenuse. Correct na? PM will become hypotenuse. So PM square equal to Tm square plus Pm square. So here what is Pm square Pt. Here it will become Pt will become hypotenuse Pt square. So Pt is what we have taken, Pt we have taken as x. So x square is equal to Tm is y square plus what is Pm? 4 square. Done? So instead of x square, this will become equation 2. So from equation 1, equation 2, can we substitute x square? If we, because they are asking what? They are asking, we can substitute y also or we can substitute x also. But since they asked what is TP, TP is x. So keeping x and we can remove, we can do anything. First we can find y and then we can find x. No problem at all. But here I'm just needing some space. So I'll little bit shift this one and then I will do my work. Now look here. We can do this, Navita. We can substitute here. This part will become y square plus 9 plus 2 3 is 6y is equal to 25 plus y square plus 16. Done? So this y square and this y square will get cancelled. 6y equal to 25 plus 16 minus 9. So y will be equal to what, beta? Say how much y will be? 11. 5 plus 1, 6, 11, 2, 3, 41 minus 9. How much it is coming? 11 minus 9 is coming. 32 by 6. 32 by 6. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 by 3. Y is coming 16 by 3. Then what will be x? X is nothing but our TP. It will become beta y square is 16 by 3 whole square plus 16. 16 square. So it will come 16. 16 square is 256. 256 plus 256 into 16 by 9. Understood? And that part, x part will become root under. So this part will become root under. So our answer will become how much? Check this one out. This is the last shot we have to play. 256. So 256 into 16. Sorry, 4 square is there. Now 4 square means 16 here. Not 16 square. Wait. Little bit change I need to do. So this is 4 square. 4 square will become here 16. So here 256 plus 3 6 is 18. Sorry, 9. 9 6 is 54. 5 3 1 is 3. Oh, 9 into 16, 144. So 144 by 9. It is coming as 400 by 9 root under. It will become 20 by 3 centimeter. That's it. So tangent length is coming as 20 by 3. And this is the end of the shot. TP is coming as 20 by 3. TP. This length is coming as 20 by 3. And this is one of the most important questions, an expected question. Now, what is the roadmap you have to generate? Maybe the question is looking very difficult, but here only one work I have done. One thing first I told that from the center of the circle to the chord, the line drawn is perpendicular to the chord and bisect the chord. So total 8 centimeter got divided as 4 and 4. This is first work over. So once we have written total 4 divided total 8 as 4, after that I did not did anything. I did only use one thing. In the entire question I used Pythagoras theorem. That's the only work I have done. In the entire question series, I have only used Pythagoras theorem. No Thales theorem, no nothing. Only Pythagoras theorem. Did you notice that? So only Pythagoras theorem I have used. I hope you might have understood this. This is the way to proceed. First, we have taken which triangle? We have taken triangle OMP. See, this is first triangle. Our first triangle was OMP. I'm coloring it. So this was first triangle with the help of which we got 3. After that, we take 2 triangle. One big triangle, this one, and then this triangle. These two triangle, we got x and y. So three triangles we got and we got the answer. I hope everybody, those who have not understood type no, and those who have understood quickly type that yes, I understood. This is one of the expected formatted question where we need to solve question, and we just did only one thing. Radius and tangent equation we have used. That is the only work we have done in this question. Is it clear? I rest my case for this question. So I hope you might have understood this question. Another typical question of 2022, we are going to solve this typical question again and again. I'm telling you, in your sample paper examination also this question came. Yes, very good. So first person who has understood is first person who understood is understood. Sample paper exam is coming. There you people will not solve means I will take out everyone's understood. Now look here. I hope you people have understood. That's very good sign if you people are understanding. We'll go for next question. Get ready for it. I'll start. Okay. So now look here. Next question. One figure question is given to you. You need to solve that question. Get ready, please. Sharmila. Oh, out of these many students, only three people understood means I am Govinda Govinda. Seriously. That means I am only problem now. Now look here, next question. In the given figure, one kuti circle is given. One circle is given to you. Yes, I drew circle without any support. For this, I should get. How nicely drew. Now look here. This is the given figure. First, we will be putting attention for drawing the figure. So this is exactly the circle. Okay. Wow. 4 people understood. I'm very happy. So now look here. This another one line is there which is going to touch. Okay. So this is the line which is touching the circle. Fine. After that, this is the center of the circle. F. And this is exactly touching C. Then this is D. This is A. This is B. This is E. Okay. This is M. This is L. Done. So this is exactly okay. So this is the question given to you. Now you enjoy. So this question, L and M are two parallels. L and M are two parallels. What in all is given to you? Just first note down what in all are given to you. L and M are parallel. So we'll write L is parallel to M in shortcut. Okay. And tangent at A and B. See, circle tangent. So the circle is touching L and M is touching at point A and B. L and M are touching circle at A and B respectively. So they will become what? Respectively. So they will become what? Tangents. What they will become? Tangents. So once you have written them tangents, what next work we have to do? Once you have written them tangents, next work. The tangent at C, this is also tangent. At C also tangent at C, make an intercept. We'll write this statement. The tangent at C makes an intercept the tangent at C makes an intercept at D and E respectively on L and M. Done. Now what we have to do? We have to prove that to prove that to prove that angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. This is the entire slot. DFE is equal to 90 degree. This is your challenge. Come on, start solving it. I am wishing that you people will send the screenshot of your answer to me. Let's see who and all are sending the screenshot. Jotam, come on, start solving, please. Already I taught this question. If you remember, we'll join this now. Then D will become the external point. From external point of a circle, the line drawn are of equal length. AD equal to AE. Remember? Try. One time already I proved. Can I do? So easily saying, yeah, you only solve. This is your problem only. Jyotam, at least one time think, yaar, how what you can do here. See, please pay attention, everyone. You all pay attention. D is the external point of a circle. Okay. From external point of a circle, the line drawn are equal in length. So this equal to this. Understood? Here also, if E is the external point, then this length equal to this length. Done. Now beta, you see here, this is common and these two are radius. This and this is radius. This is also radius. So that means by side, this will become common. This is radius and this is radius. So these two triangles will become congruent. Once the triangles are getting congruent, very good. Super Yashwin. Nice glow. That after that, this angle will become equal to this angle. Understood? So, if this angle is equal to this angle, that means this angle is 2 times of the entire angle. This angle is 2 times of entire angle. Sorry, half of entire angle. And this also half of entire angle. Correct? Now, we will take this triangle half plus this is equal to 180 degree. So, sum will become 90 degree. That's it. Super. That's absolutely correct. This is what short I needed. In short, you have finished the question. Nice. So now, beta, shall we do that work? Can we go for that one? Now check this one out. In these two triangles, when we will be talking about the two triangles, let's go with the two triangles. Talk about these two triangles. So in triangle, in solution, we will write this. In solution, we will write AD is equal to AC. So we'll write in triangles ADC and ADF and triangle DCF. These are the two triangles ADF and DCF. Yes. So what we are going to say ADF and DCF. First, DA is equal to DC. D is the external point. From external point of a circle, from external point of a circle, the line drawn are of equal in length. From external point of a circle, the line drawn are of equal in length. So here we are going to write this. So AD is equal to DA is equal to this. Now DF is equal to DF common, and then AF is equal to CF radii. So both the triangles are congruent. Triangle ADF is congruent to triangle CDF by side. Then by CPCT, this angle will be equal to this angle. That is angle ADF is equal to angle CDF by CPCT. Understood? So that means the complete angle. If somebody will be talking about the complete angle, so this angle is equal to that angle, correct? Next one, similarly, this angle will be equal to this angle. So in triangle BFE and triangle BFE CFE, angle BEF is equal to angle CEF by CPCT. This is similarly. Got it or not? So now only one thing. This two we got. Similarly, our main target was this. We got this and this. Now we are going to wait. Understood? Now beta, this is parallel. L is parallel to M. Connectivity, last part. L is parallel to M. DE acts as transversal. D is acting as transversal. So now beta, we know that when this is parallel to this part is parallel to this, that means this interior angle plus this interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Understood? So we will write angle ADE plus angle BEC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of co-interior angle on the same side of transversal. Sum of co-interior angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. Understood? So ADC total angle is there now, but we know that total angle is 2 times of half angle. Understood? So this part will become 2 times of angle, 2 times of angle this one now. Both are equal now. So we can write 2 times of that. 2 times of angle FDC plus 2 times of angle, this one we will take FEC is equal to 180 degree. 2 times. So that means angle FDC plus angle FEC is equal to 90 degree. Done? Clarity is needed. Then we will write triangle. Now this is our last shot. We will take this triangle. Understood? So in triangle DFE, angle DFE plus angle DEF plus angle FDE is equal to 180 degree. So here this is the center part DFE, this part, so angle DFE is equal to 100 minus 90 degree. This is equation 3. So using 3, and that part will be equal to 90 degree using 3. Proved. This is exactly, yes, favorite question of CBSE. They keep on asking these type of questions only. Whatever we are doing, they will not change. They'll keep on asking these type of questions, beautiful questions. Yes, Kritika, well done. Maha, super, very good. So this is the clarity I need. Understood. So this is the clarity that is needed. Take common, cancel, solve. Answer is coming as 90 degree. Understood or not? So I hope this is the second most important question of CBSE. So what exactly we have done? We did nothing. See, the setup was there. We've only told this is the external point, close the gate. This is the external point. After that, we said this angle is equal to this angle by congruency proof. Similarly, this is equal to this. After that, we said this is parallel to this. So sum of these two interior angle is equal to 180 degree. With the help of that, we proved we got this value, this angle value, and this angle value. And then by taking the sum of all the three angles, we wrote it equal to 180 degree and story. I hope this is over. Yes, this is a sample paper given by CBSE. We have analyzed these questions every year, nearly 100, 200 questions of every chapters we are doing, so that we will get the best possible questions. Okay, so shall we go for the next question? Again, the third and the most notorious question of circle chapter, but this question is very important. This question came in Sahodaya exam also. And this question is very, very important for you people. Understood? Okay, Neetu, bata sakti ho beta. So here, everybody remember this. This question came in Sahodaya. So Sahodaya questions are important to remember and do. Okay. So clear cut, I told you, Sahodaya questions are exactly. आप पूछ सकते हो डाउट क्या है अगर if this is related to studies means 100% I will answer. There is no second thought about it. There is no second thought about it. I'll 100% answer. Are you all ready for this question, beta? Now, unexpected question, but yet important question. And we were not expecting this question in Sahodaya, but it came. O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle of radius 5 centimeter. So one circle is there. O is the center of circle having radius 5 centimeter. After that, what they are telling, 5 centimeter is given. Okay. After that, they are telling T is a point. T must be an external point. Hey, don't laugh. This is tangent touching only one point, and this is secant. This is the difference. And this is chord. This is sector from the center. And this is segment. All story over. Now look here. This is 5. After that, what they're telling that we'll draw this. This is E, contact point. This is T. And enlarge it. Okay. This is P. This is Q. So much difficulty I'm drawing. This is A and this is B. Done? Biggest work done. So now look here. This work is over. Now what they are telling that beta OT is equal to OT. Total length OT is equal to 13 centimeter. So if we will check, this one is coming as complete OT is coming as 13 centimeter. Okay. After that, what they are telling? OT intersect the circle at E given in the circle at E. Understood? If AB is the, so AB is the tangent to the circle and radius 5 at E, okay, we have to find length AB. What we have to find here is AB. Okay, first you focus here. See, this is the most easiest question. TQ is equal to TP is equal to TQ 100%. And one thing you can do here is you can write this as perpendicular. Since radius and tangents are perpendicular, in solution, the first shot what we can do is, we can kill this by first shot is OP is perpendicular to PT, OP is perpendicular to PT, and OQ is perpendicular to TQ. Okay. Done? This part is there. Next is, we know already that, but in triangle, we will write like this, na beta. In triangle OPT, in triangle OPT, right angle at P. We have to write reason means radius and tangents are perpendicular at the point of contact. Here we will write radius and tangents are perpendicular. Tangents are perpendicular at the point of contact. At the point of contact. Understood? So now very clearly we wrote. So we will do one thing. OT hypotenuse square is equal to OP square plus PT square. So OT is 13 square is equal to 5 square plus PT square. So 13 square minus 5 square is equal to PT square. So PT is equal to 169 minus 25 root under, that is 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. So this part is coming as 12 centimeter. So what? If this came 12 centimeters, so what? Yes, Ritvijan, super beta. That part is correct only. So 12 centimeter we got, correct? Now we will do one work. We will take this as x. If we are taking this as x, so this part will become what beta? 12 minus x. Understood or not? So we'll write let AP is equal to x. Then AT will be equal to 12 minus x. Done? Note. Now this is perpendicular. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. So angle OEA will be perpendicular. Remember that one. So this part will also become perpendicular. Correct now? Angle OEA is equal to angle AET is equal to 90 degree. This is touching at one point now. So radius and tangent is perpendicular. This is radius and this is tangent. So radius and tangent is perpendicular. Again we will write radius and tangents are perpendicular. Understood? Radius and tangents are perpendicular. Yes, Harsh, can you say? So once we have done till here, now one work is over, beta. Now we can take this triangle. Okay. Hmm? Now when we are taking that triangle, we will be checking that this part is 13, beta. This part is what? Total is 5. This is 5, correct? Check this one out nicely. 80 part first we have to know. 80 is 12 minus x. What is AE? AE will writing it as x. Sorry, AE we have taken it as x because this part and this part will become similar. So AE will become x. We'll write down AP is equal to AE because beta this A is the external point now. So if AP is equal to x, we will write AP is equal to AE is equal to x. Why beta? Because tangents are equal. So since the tangents are equal, AP is equal to AE is equal to x. I hope you might have understood. So beta A is the external point. A is external point. Understood beta? So since A is external point, AP is equal to x done. Now beta here, if this part is x, nicely think. If this part is x, now this total is 13. Total is 13 and this part is 5. So this part will become 13 minus 5 done because radius and the total length absolute very good. But check one time your answer. You need to check your answer beta. One time you check your answer. We will take triangle AET. I'm writing here. You see what is coming in triangle AET beta. This is A, this is E, and this is T. AE is equal to X. This is 13 minus 5, and this is 12 minus X. Understood? And this is coming as perpendicular. Now, with the help of that, you will be able to solve. So, here we have already taken this. So, in triangle AET, right angled at E. So here AE 80 square is equal to AE square plus ET square. So 80 is what beta? 12 minus x whole square is equal to AE is x square and then 13 minus 5 8 8 square. So here it will become 144 plus x square minus 24x is equal to x square plus 64. X square got cancelled. So 144 minus 64 is equal to 24x. So check 0, 8 by 24 is equal to x. So it is coming 12, 40, 26. This is coming x is equal to 10 by 3. X is coming as how much beta? 10 by 3. But we have to find total AB now. X is coming as 10 by 3. AE part is coming as x. But we don't have to find AE. We have to find AB. So this is also becoming x. So how much it will become? AB is 2 times of x. That is 2 into 10 by 3. That is 20 by 3 centimeter. I rest my case. That's what you have to solve like. Yes, x is coming as 10 by 3, but they did not ask x. They're asking what beta? They're asking AB. AB is 2 times of x. AB is 2 times of x. Yes, Ritrajan, that's what the point is. I hope you might have understood this one. Sir, whatever another way will be there, that another way will be wrong. If another way also you are applying, you do one thing, take the screenshot of your another way and send me. I want to check. And this is the type of questions, this is the type of question has been asked in board examination. So I can't take it easily. You need to solve it properly. This is what I am telling you. You need to solve it very nicely. I hope you might have understood this one. Anyways, you will solve. So three very massive questions of board examination we have solved. Okay. So tomorrow also we are going to consider this part questions and we are going to solve some questions. You do one thing tomorrow. We will solve similar triangles. Similar triangles are creating more problem for you people. Correct now? So similar triangles exercise tomorrow 2 hours. We are going to give a complete revision of similar triangles. So make sure that tomorrow you are going to join the session. Tomorrow 2 sessions I am going to keep. Okay. So tomorrow session, New Year means we will study. That's the best part. Is New Year if you are studying means it's good. Now one short question I am giving. One short question I am giving from trigonometry. Get ready. So little bit time we can utilize to study something good. Your trigonometry questions. One very small question of trigonometry I am giving. Use your brain and solve the question. Get ready for it. Tomorrow, similar triangles, BPT based questions you will be able to solve. BPT based questions you will be able to solve. Last part. This section, last part was like that, beta, you understand one thing. See, this total length, na, this first part of the circle question was this, whatever was there, just do this one. This perpendicular, so by Pythagoras theorem, we got total 12. But since this line was there, so this was x, then this part will become 12 minus x. Okay. Now total length is given 13. So here, if this is 5, then this one will become 8. Okay. After that, this length, so since this is A is external part, so this length will be equal to this length. So if this is x, so this one will become x. So use Pythagoras theorem to get this x. That's it. And beta, this total is double now because this is exactly double of it. So this part and this part will be congruent. So this AE is equal to EB. So if this part x is coming as 10 by 3, this part will also become 10 by 3. That's it. Story over. Understood? Story over. And that's the question was given to you and you can solve like that only. I hope. So now we are going to do the next question. Are you all ready? Similar theory. Yes, absolute. No need to go to that much. We can go for it. One kuti question is waiting for you people. If it will come out in time. Ready? Monkey. Question is tan theta is equal to 3 tan square theta equal to 3 tan square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Find sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Very cutie question I have given you. Come on, go for it, please. I have another class. Hi, Atharva. All people are giving different sorts of answer. First thing is 3 tan square theta. Shift this one, it will become 1. Then tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. Take root on both sides. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree. So theta equal to 30 degree. That's it. Tan theta is equal to 30 degree. Once theta is coming as 30 degree, sine 430 degree plus cos 430 degree. If you solve also, answer will come 1. Tube lights. What is this? We'll check answer. Oh, square is there now. We will check. So 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus root 3 by 2 to the power 4. It will come 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 3 3 is a 9, because root 3 will become 3. 3 3 9 by 16 only is coming. Okay, 10 by 16. Sorry, I thought sine square is there, sine 4. So it is coming 5 by 8. Anybody got 5 by 8? Oh, Darshini, super. So first answer, correct answer received by Maha. After that, second is Darshini and then Kritika. Absolute. That's it. Go enjoy. And advance Happy New Year. We'll meet New Year next year. Bye bye.